This is a question for all SEO experts out there. Do you know that the search engine console is changing? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we bring you the latest news from the world of digital marketing. I'm your host Daksh Juneja, and today we're going to talk about something very important straight from the search engine giant itself, Google. Google has recently made an important announcement that's going to impact how websites are ranked in search results. In this video, we are going to deep dive into the details of the latest Google Search Console updates, specifically focusing on the page experience report, mobile usability report, and mobile friendly test tool. But before we jump into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my future updates. Essentially, these are the tools within Google Search Console that provides website owners with valuable insights like how their website is right now currently functioning. Take a look at these screenshots. With the page experience report, you can easily identify any areas where your website might be falling short in terms of, say, user experience. It analyzes crucial factors like mobile friendliness, site speed, as well as security. It gives you a holistic view of how your website is actually performing. Now, here comes the big news. Google has decided to deprecate all of these. I know many of you must be relying on these for your website optimization, especially for your mobile devices. But don't worry, Google has something that they want to do even better with these tools. Google plans to introduce new and improved tools that will not only analyze the mobile friendliness of your website, but also provide a comprehensive assessment of the entire page experience. This means that you will have more accurate understanding of how your website performs across different devices. Now, if you ask me, I'm not still aware on how these changes are going to happen, but rest assured, there are some huge changes coming to the Search Console by the end of this year itself. So please stay tuned. Now, exciting stuff, right? So as digital marketers and website owners, we constantly want to strive to improve our online presence. Am I right? And these updates from Google are going to help us do that. To make the most of this update, here are a few action steps at least that I have created and I want to share with you. Starting with, check out the page experience report in your Google Search Console account. It's an invaluable resource that will help you to identify areas for your improvement. Start prioritizing user experience. Make sure your website is mobile friendly, loads quickly, and provides a secure browsing experience. Stay tuned for the coming tools Google will be releasing very soon. These new tools will provide even deeper insights into our website's page experience. And there you have it, folks, the latest news about Google Search Console's page experience report and deprecation of the tools. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any question that you have for me. If you found this video useful, or you could think of the first person who's a budding SEO expert, you must share it with them and let them know about these new changes coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.